Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2013, 14, 15 Nissan Altima. When we try to use the key, nothing is work. See, they change the engine, the car have a flood. So let's see what's going on. Emo, I gotta do it as quick as possible. Okay, you cannot go by VIN. Nissan. It's gonna take some time before it come on, but we have to wait for it. This key belongs to the car itself. We're gonna try to scan the IMO. Type of the key is smart key. Number of the key register 1, 20-digit support. There is no VIN, but okay. All kilos guided. Start. It will erase all key. Press OK. See PPIP, which is not bad. Maybe sometime when you disconnect the battery, ground, everything gone, the car will lose the programming. Maybe yes, maybe no. Coming on pass. I hear noise of it looks like there is no horn also. Programming failed, so electrical problem. And this car have electrical problem. Yes. Even with this one it work. See? Okay, maybe no power in the ignition switch. Yes. Okay. Amadou, come here. Come here. Give me test the light.
Test light? Huh?
Yeah. See this?
Test light?
Yeah, give me test light. Give me tie the wire from here to here.
To tighten?
Yeah, tie the wire from here because this here is this fuse here. Give me test light. I want to test if I have power first because my battery is gonna die. We're missing here, I believe. This power here. Okay, hold this for me. Stay with me. Just want to check something. I just want to check something here quick. Okay. Good. Good. What about here? Zero. Let's see. Zero. Okay, open this wire. Let's make a bridge here and here. Quick. I gotta leave this one, brother. My charge. The engine was replaced, that's why. And maybe while they jump it, they create a short. That's why the car doesn't want to start thinking it's a key problem, but it's not a key. So let me do it quick. Give me anything you have. I need, this is not 13, this is 12.
That's 12. You want 13?
Okay, I don't know, but let's go. Let's open it here quick because if it is not 12, 13, I don't.
This is 13.
So, okay.
Come on. Come on, mate.
Okay, now go up because I'm holding camera with one hand. Put this one under here. Put this under here. No, just pick up this one up and put it under. Pick up this up. Pick the cable up. This one, take it. No, this one, take it up. First, let's start by this. Put it there now. Tight it. This is a test only. This is for the test, so you don't need to. Just put it. Now you make it so big. I tell you, make it small one. You make it so big now. I say just put a small piece. You put something like a mountain.
Hold on, like this.
Just put it in the corner there. You don't need to put it there, brother.
Alpha phone.
No, just put it here. See now? Everything is. Turn it on. Put it under there. Tight it, tight it, just tight it. This is a test.
Put under the ball.
I just want to be sure the key is programmed. If not, because I try to program the key, hopefully I don't delete anything. Let's leave it like that. Let me go now. Let me sit down. Maybe delete. Hopefully I can do it again. Okay. Ignition is on. Car is start. So it was not the key problem, but at least we are able to start the car. And here fell. I don't know which key was programmed, but yeah, this key program. My key program and this one gone. So the problem on this car was that the battery terminal, the fuse was no good. Okay, his key. My friend, I have to program my key. This is his key also maybe is working.
Arga. Hello, what you say?
His key also maybe work, but I cannot do it because when I did mine, it deleted everything, and now my charger is only 13%, so I have only like 13 left. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.